girls, today we will be making Greek burgers. Delicious, huh? Okay, so we'll be using 455 fish grams of this ground chicken. You can use turkey or any other meat you want to. And what else we'll be using is, this is spinach, which is frozen, and you can thaw it on room temperature. Squeeze out the extra water and moisture, make sure. And some parsley, fresh parsley, red onion, and if you like it spicy, you can add some green chilies also. 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, or you can use garlic powder. Sun-dried tomatoes in the oil, just 1-2 pieces, like it depends how much you like it. And then some olives. So we chop them all finely. That's what we're gonna be mixing in the chicken, and also a little bit of feta cheese, which is optional, but it tastes good. And what else we'll be adding in spices is, this is Greek seasoning mix. It has basically lots of dried herbs, which we will mention. This is homemade, and this is optional. You can add black pepper or some spicy red chilies or cayenne pepper, and some sea salt. And also on the side will be grilling. You can grill or saute these green peppers. And to garnish, we have tzatziki and pickles. Now we will mention the recipe for the tzatziki. We did the other video too, but we'll mention it again. It's basically yogurt, Greek yogurt, cucumber, dill, fresh dill if you have, or you can use the dry dill, lemon juice, garlic, black pepper, and olive oil and salt. Okay, now first thing first. First, we will put the green peppers in the pan, so we will saute it first. Okay, and we are using a little bit of olive oil. So the burger is all done. Now, adding spinach is optional, but it's one of more healthy ways to add greens in the burger. You can add just the dry parsley or dry dill as well. And we're gonna be serving it with peppers and tzatziki. Here goes the tzatziki, and these are the peppers we did. And some onion. And your burger is ready to eat, and we're serving it with some pickles, which is beets and dill.
Yum! Can't wait!